Just never start an Airbnb company, guys, if you don't know how to do market research and get the landlord to say yes. I'm telling you, these are the two obstacles that basically decimate every person that comes into this business because they can't get the landlord to say yes to allow them to rent on short-term rental platforms. And if you don't get the landlord to say yes, you are now running an illegal business. And if you don't know how to find properties that are going to be profitable, why would you get into business? You see, the biggest misconception is everybody's going to sit on the beach, drink a margarita, and they're going to work no hours, and they're going to make thousands of dollars a month, and they're going to put no work in. That is a huge misconception. And the reason for it is because any business that tells you you're going to be a millionaire next month, run the other way. It's a scam. This business of getting into rental arbitrage is very profitable if you do it right and have the right coach and have the right mentor and have someone that can help you. But if you don't know how to talk to the landlord because you have no prior experience with any Airbnbs and you're going to tell them, hey, I want to rent your place. I have no prior experience. And look, I love the property, but you're going to be a guinea pig and I've never done this before. They're going to hang up on you. And what if you don't know how to use AirDNA and you don't know how to do market research on properties in the area? Then guess what? You're going to be in a world of shit. I want to mitigate those risks for you. Okay? If you want help and you want to do this the right way, message me and I'll reach out to you directly. Message me and put in help in the comment section and I will reach out to you directly and let's talk. Let's put something together so you can get into a business that can be profitable if you do it the right way. My name is Mike. Let's roll.